Last time we talked about the sponsor. Now, if the sponsor is the project's champion at the top, then the project manager is the one who makes it all happen. So let's talk about that. They are the conductor. They're turning a strategic vision into practical results. That's a project manager. So who should be a project manager? Let's start with that. Now, a project manager is not just a task tracker. This role belongs to a leader with the skills to plan, coordinate, and guide people through this change. It's a big change. Now, for our project, for SaaS migration, that means someone who understands both the technology and the business impact. So they don't have to be the expert in technology or the deepest technical skills, but they do need to understand the cloud, the integrations, the data migration, the testing well enough to ask the right question and spot those risks before they become problems. Now, what kind of tools and what kind of expertise this project manager should have? A great project manager knows how to use project management platforms. For example, it could be Microsoft Project or some similar tools to track the progress of the project. They're skilled in collaboration tools because it's a collaborative effort, like Teams, to keep everyone connected. And they need to be skilled in using dashboards and reporting to make sure the stakeholders, from the staff to the executives, get the right information at the right time. So that's important. Now let's be clear. Tools don't run projects. People do. The right project manager uses tools to bring that transparency, not bureaucracy, helping the team work smarter, not drown in the process, which many times we see. Now, what type of project manager do we need here for this particular project? Now, that's my understanding. Now, here's the key point. Project management is not a side gig. You can't just assign it to somebody and say, just go and run this project. It's not something which could be done at the corner of their desk. It is a full-time role. Now, for the SaaS migration, we need a full-time senior level project manager consultant, someone who wakes up every day focused on leading this transformation. That's it. That's their full-time role. Someone who has done this before and understands the challenges that come across when leading a complex transformation like this, the colleague SaaS migration. Now, they will coordinate closely with the Lucian project manager. They will align IT and business units and vendors to keep the entire organization moving forward. Now, this project touches every system and every employee and process, and it really requires that real change leadership. So we are looking for a project manager who's not just detail-oriented, but people-focused. Someone who can manage a risk through a risk register, communicate across all levels, have a great communication plan, and champion the change. So the organization is ready, we are ready. So what's coming? So let's wrap it up. So when you think about the project manager role for colleague SaaS migration, don't ask who has time to take this on. Ask instead, who can we trust to lead this transformation full time? Because the right project manager isn't a part-time helper. They are the difference between a project that simply installs a new software and the one that delivers a lasting business transformation. Thank you.